What'd you do to your feet? Can you show me your feet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me see. Let's look. Oh, hold on. Let's look. You look at that. Don't move your feet. Let me see.
You gotta be kidding. What?
What did you do?
Complain?
Yeah. What did you do? Did you paint your feet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you paint them pretty pink?
Pink.
Pink. Do you like pink?
Mama.
Are you naughty?
Mama.
No, don't touch. Don't touch. Are you naughty? Daddy's gonna love your pink toenails. Daddy's gonna love them. Let's see. Ooh, pretty pink.
Go pink.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.